Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Update on 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 583, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, today is a Sunday, not much of a major update. But in terms of Bitcoin itself, we still remains relatively neutral as of the moment itself. You can see on the daily chart itself, we just remained flat out yesterday for a very small, little tiny green candlestick, indecision candlestick. So potentially we could also end up with someone like an indecision candlestick today. So potentially it could also potentially be waiting until tonight itself in terms of Singapore Central Time. Singapore time itself. And until the S&P 500 in terms of the futures open later today itself, then we could potentially see a following in terms of the direction itself. Or of course, it could also go in terms of the opposite direction itself. So that really has something in mind to see. But of course, with a very sharp drop, I do potentially see a potential sharp bounce as well. But the question is where? It's uncertain. I would say that this is unlikely to be the bottom right now because typically you want something like this before potential nice reversal trend. Similarly, you see something like this before a nice decent rebounds in trend, even like this, before you see a nice rebound or weak rebounds in trend. But otherwise, you generally don't see a very strong unless you see someone like this, and then potentially there could be some sort of a supportive candlestick before we actually bounce up, or you want the bullish green candlestick. But neither of it has formed, either a strong supportive candlestick or a strong bullish candlestick has formed. So it's highly unlikely that this is the bottom right now if you look in terms of daily and shorter time frame itself. But again, on the 4-hour chart, I don't see any good setup position in terms of short, simply because I want it prefer to be on the upside, facing some strong rejection, and then potentially entering for a short setup to retest this support region itself. But until that happens itself, or until a nice consolidation happens, I don't see any nice trade setup on the 4-hour and above. But with that said, yeah, so I'm just basically waiting for the time being right now. Otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.